Hey, Joe Solari here, and I wanted to do an update on the SBA disaster loan, particularly the Payroll Protection Program. It's April 7th, 2020. Chase Bank and Bank of America are already accepting applications. Now I know this, I have a client that did the application yesterday with Bank of America. I completed mine today, earlier this morning, with Chase Bank. I'll talk to the Chase Bank application because that's the one that I have firsthand knowledge of. I had already said that I wanted to apply for the loan, so I had filled that out. That was a link that was inside my business bank account. Chase has made it very clear, as many other banks have, that their first applicants have to be existing banking customers. That is going to help them to speed up the process because they have verified those people, they can see data, and they'll be able to put money right into those accounts quickly. So when I went into the Chase bank account this morning, there was a link to click on. I clicked on that link. It opened up to the application, which was already pre-populated with my company's information. I did have to go in and tell them what I was going to be using the funds for, whether it was going to be payroll, rent, interest, various things that this loan is applicable for that first $10,000. At least with the Chase Bank, you can't ask for anything more than that first $10,000 forgivable piece. I then had to provide supplementary information to validate my payroll claims. So I had already done my 2019 tax return for my S-Corp, so I just uploaded that. That was a very clean record for them to see all the information about the business. I then provided additional information in my first quarter's payroll records for that S-Corp so that it was validated during the crisis time what my payroll was. So I've got some clean records there. They provide you some other ideas of things you can put up there, and it's either as a PDF or a JPEG file that's attached to the application. I then clicked that it was completed and it's off for them to consider and then approve. So in summary, if you're with some of the larger banks like Bank of America and Chase, you can probably already apply. If you bank with a smaller bank that's an SBA lender, they may have an online application that you should look through your banking business account. If not, contact the bank directly. I know with a local byline bank here that's a regional, they're doing everything direct with their banker. They have a smaller commercial division that'll be handling this rather than doing it online. So the first place you should go to is where you have your existing banking relationship. Again, this is Joe Solari. I'm here to give you updates on the SBA disaster loan program, and I'll continue to do that as more information comes to light.